This just in news. We're interviewing the hot boy. Follow me.
Hello.
Who are you?
What's up?
Speaking to my mic.
Fuck. Name's Luke.
Get your shit together, man.
What's up?
Fucking real world.
What's up? What do you want to know?
What year is this thing?
This is a 1997 Harley Davidson Sportster. Sporty Spice. You sure about that? 100% positive.
What's the CCs on it?
It says clearly right here on the air filter, 69 cc.
Well, would you look at that? That's neat.
How neat is that?
What else have you done?
What else have I done? Like,
Yeah, brother.
all right,
This tank, it looks trash.
my homeboy JJ at Soul Classic on Instagram, YouTube, no Facebook, no Snapchat. He hooked it up with a new tank. It's off of his bike. Painted it up, welded it to fit this one. Did a really great job at it until I screwed it up, got gas all over it. You know, hot boying around, living that stunt life. Slapped some 16-inch ape hangers on here with some 4.5-inch risers. Beer holder, so I can drink my silver bullets while I ride. Safety's not my main priority.
What the hell is that thing?
This thing?
Yeah.
This is a phone mount. So I can double tap the honeys while I'm riding.
Hey, dudes.
No.
You're taking them down.
Follow me on Instagram. We posted right here at Luke_Skywalker.
I don't get one, you don't get one.
I'm getting two. Put one here and here. Luke Skywalker. Hit me up, ladies. Fairing. Found this in the parts box. It's pretty tight. Chopped my fender. 8 inches off of it.
You sure?
Yes.
That doesn't really 8.
Well, you don't know 8 inches. You've been lied to.
I've only known 3 my whole life.
New tail light. Relocated my broke ass license plate. That's just getting worse. Slammed it. 12-inch shocks.
Gotta speak a little louder, son.
Stop. Put some street sweepers on here. Cleaning up the roads. Keep America clean.
Talking to me. I'm the interviewer.
Keep America clean.
That's better.
Sorry, sir.
Straight.
That's about it.
What's up with that?
Oh, relocated my back brake, sir.
Why?
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 Because you can't put it there anymore. The pipes are in the way.
I like it.
That's it. That's my bike.
Stay tuned.